welcome back to Beauty Beats. Today I am doing a collaboration with Wigs. So what you see here is 100% human Remy hair. It is a 5.5 silk hair topper, and you can curl it, you can dye it, you can straighten it. The sky's the limit. A good trick is to match it as much to your natural hair as possible to get that real look. See, mine's blended really well. I got a 14-inch. The color is G4 medium brown. I will show you how to clip it in. It's got the 4 clips. There's a mesh here so that the scalp is more natural looking. Give it a good brush. It's so soft, it's crazy. It's like it's my own hair. You just place it where you think it looks the most natural. Maybe back here would be better. It's a topper, I mean, it's supposed to be on top of your head. It's good for volume. Okay, well, we'll try it here. See how that goes. We'll work with it. I'm gonna clip in all the clips. You just dig down, up, snap. Go down the back, snap. Where are we? Oh yeah, here it is. Alright, so we're all snapped in. I'm gonna take out my ponytail. And then somehow do that. I don't know, you can kind of still see it here there, but I'm not sure, like, that should be like this. Hi. You notice my topper. It's so easy to put it on and off. It's just a matter of getting it in the right spot and not get it tangled, because that hurts. Okay. What if we go a little bit closer? Dig it in more, like so. Okay, we're gonna go with here. Press it flat with your hand and go as far as you can with the clips to make it as tight as possible. Okay. You really just have to play around with it until it looks to your liking. What if I go like that with my bangs? You probably won't even see it at all. Like, excuse me, miss. Do you know where I lost my topper? No, that looks weird. Okay, let's see. We're trying it again, 20th time, because we want it to be perfect. With the heat of your scalp, it'll... There, that's better. The trick is to put the clips a bit tight so that it stretches good, so it's not as like, whoa, Marge Simpson. That would be cool too. Okay, so now I feel like we're locked in place. Kind of a cool look. Ready to go to the mall. It's so soft. Let's see the back. So this is the back. As you can see, it's hiding all this, gives me a little lift for added volume. I like it. It's really fun. It's like super soft, like undyed hair. Yeah, I like it. I like the extra volume it gives. It looks natural. Hi. All right, so this is how you take it off. You unclip your clips. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you gently pull the little, you grab the mesh here, you just shake it out. I do a little wiggle. All right, so there's my real hair. Not much different. But it's cool because it adds volume. You see my hair just looks like a little flat mess. Peace out, you and my wig.